prepositional phrases. This lesson is about the prepositional phrases. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to define prepositional phrases, identify prepositional phrases. Ravi has missed school today. Miss Jones, his English teacher, taught prepositional phrases in class today. She has planned a surprise test next week. Ravi knows nothing about prepositional phrases. He needs our help. Let's help him. Shalini lost her black cat. She went searching for her cat and found it sitting on the mango tree. Where was the cat? The black cat was on the mango tree. The phrase "on the mango tree" is the answer to this question. It tells us where the cat was. Therefore, this is a prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase begins with the preposition "on" and ends with the noun "tree." A prepositional phrase describes a part of the sentence in greater detail, usually by telling you information about when, where, or how. Every prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. The preposition is the word that connects nouns or pronouns to other words in a sentence. A prepositional phrase begins with the preposition and ends with a noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause, the object of the preposition. The preposition, together with the object and its modifiers, is called a prepositional phrase. Preposition plus modifiers plus noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause. The cat was on the mango tree. The cat was on something, which brings us to the object of the preposition. The object of the preposition completes the description. The word "tree" is the object of the preposition. If the cat is on something, can you tell what is it on? It is on the mango tree. So the word "mango" is the modifier. It tells us where the cat is. Therefore, "on the mango tree" is the prepositional phrase of this sentence. Let us look at some more examples of a prepositional phrase. Now, Ravi looks at ease. Hope he has understood the prepositional phrases and is ready for the test. Let's revise the important points to help him retain the concepts. A prepositional phrase describes a part of the sentence in greater detail, usually by telling you information about when, where, or how. Every prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. The preposition, together with the object and its modifiers, is called a prepositional phrase. The object of the preposition completes the description.